the atomic structure. So when we talk of atomic structure, we talk of the composition of an atom and its chemical behavior. So an atom is the smallest particle that takes part in the chemical reaction. So this simply means that all chemical reactions are governed by an atom. So this means that all chemical reactions are governed by an atom. So an atom is made up of three small particles. An atom is made up of three small particles, of which these particles are the electron, neutron, and the proton. So the electron and the neutron, they form the central part of an atom, which is called the nucleus. The protons and the neutrons, they form the central part of an atom, which is called the nucleus. So we also need to take note that the neutrons and the protons, they are the ones that determines the mass of an atom. Why? Because these electrons are said to have no mass. They have the mass, but the mass is very small, such that it doesn't contribute to the mass of the atom. Now, these electrons, they are found in these regions, which are called the shells, but it's not every part of the shell that contains an electron. And when we talk of the region where you can find this electron, that region is called an orbital. So we are saying an orbital is just a region where an electron is expected to be found, or it is a region which is densely occupied by an electron. Now, these electrons, they take part in chemical reaction. The chemical nature of an atom is not determined by the neutron, proton. Instead, it is determined by the electrons.